going for it.
Don't do it, man. I wonder how many miles this. It's like this run on this trail here. Four miles.
From the dam, we just passed.
So zero starts up there. Where did we park?
We parked this way.
Spada.
This is the airport. We started a little bit farther down.
So one.
So we probably gonna be doing like a little bit.
Cause it's 4 miles from top to bottom.
Yeah.
So about 5, 8, 9 miles
Well,
round trip.
Unless you want to turn around here, but we're going to go all the way to 37, the highway.
Yeah.
Which is probably like 7 miles total.
One way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I thought it was some kind of 5K or something.
Oh, going on today?
No, I thought it was. A lot of people running, so.
Because who knows, man? They might be having 5K starting from like a mission.
Yeah.
Go to a spot and come back or something. Family running what?
Yeah.
There's like 2 more people there, really.
Huh.
What I like is you look at your bike, you can get one and just tour around.
That guy's like, fuck it, I'm taking a nap here. You go run.
I love quality time with you, baby, on Sundays.
Yeah, let's go for
Good exercise. That's something I was watching the gym and I just made me come.
Do 2 reps and just start walking around. Sasquatch gonna come out, man, out of this woods and stuff. Huh?
I think it's one more brisk like that.
He lost some. His GoPro.
Where is it?
Doggy. Found the other half. It's set, good to go now.